Upbeat background music begins. Hey, bye smart fam! Welcome back to your favorite spot for all things comparison. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras, where every pixel counts and every shot is a chance to capture your cat's latest shenanigans. On my left, we have the sleek and sassy Sony Alpha ZV-E10, and on my right, the compact and cuddly Canon EOS R100. One's like the cool kid in school who always gets the best selfies, while the other is the adorable friend that everyone wants to take on a trip. So which one should you buy? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say, the price tag. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is strutting its stuff at a price of $799. Ouch, that's like the cost of a fancy dinner for 2 or 3 pizza deliveries. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R100 is making it rain with a budget-friendly price of just $479. Reviewers appreciate the R100 for its affordability, making it a great option for those looking to save some cash while still capturing their pet's best moments. So if you're budget conscious, the R100 is your new best friend. Now let's talk about what really matters. Image quality. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 comes equipped with a glorious 24.2 megapixels APS-C XMOR CMOS sensor and a fast BIONZX processor. That's a fancy way of saying, I'm going to make your photos look stunning. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R100 has a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and a DIGIC8 processor. Reviewers of the ZV-E10 praise its impressive features, versatility, and exceptional image quality, while those with the R100 commend its excellent picture quality, especially for beginners. If you want stunning images, the ZV-E10 might have a slight edge, but both offer great results. Next, let's roll into video capabilities. The ZV-E10 is the video superstar, offering stunning 4K movie oversampled from 6K. Reviewers rave about its exceptional video quality, making it a top choice for content creators and vloggers. Now, the Canon EOS R100 is a bit more modest when it comes to video. It's not saying it can't shoot video, but it's more like the friend who says, "Yeah, I can dance," but only does the robot. Reviewers note that the R100 is more suited for casual photography than serious videography, making the ZV-E10 the go-to for vlogging. Let's talk about focus, because nobody wants a blurry photo of Aunt Gertrude at the family reunion. The ZV-E10 has a nifty product showcase setting that shifts focus from your face to your product faster than you can say cheese. Reviewers highlight the ZV-E10's fast autofocus as a standout feature. Meanwhile, the EOS R100 comes with dual-pixel CMOS AF that covers up to 143 zones. While some reviewers appreciate the R100's focusing capability, others have expressed dissatisfaction with autofocus performance. It seems the ZV-E10 takes the lead in this category. Finally, let's talk about convenience. The ZV-E10 is the life of the party with easy live streaming capabilities using just a single USB cable. Reviewers love how simple it is to use for live streaming, making it a hit among content creators. The R100? Well, let's just say it's a little less friendly for those spontaneous live streams, focusing more on taking cute selfies instead. So if you're into live streaming, the ZV-E10 is your best bet. Overall, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is widely praised for its versatility, exceptional video quality, and fast autofocus, making it a favorite among content creators. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R100 is recognized for its affordability and excellent picture quality, especially for beginners, though some users have faced issues with autofocus and functionality. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a camera that's a powerhouse for video and gives you stunning images without breaking the bank, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is like the cool kid who just got a new skateboard. But if you're on a budget and want something lightweight for those travel adventures, the Canon EOS R100 is your trusty sidekick. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a comparison. Let us know in the comments which camera you'd choose and why. Until next time, keep buying smart and capturing those unforgettable moments. Upbeat music fades out as the logo appears on screen.